Hey guys, Brian here with VetteSource today, looking at another cool Corvette new old stock part that I've got here in my inventory. Now this would be a earlier C4 type part, C4 Corvettes from 84 to 96. Of course you can see here the original tag of the original date, 1987, 2508 3583 AC spark plug division instrument cluster. Now, if you're no 84 through 89 Corvettes, you'll know that these are not, the instrument clusters on these were the first years they started to go to that electronic, what they call the Atari style dashboard with the electronic displays, and you could flip through the switches and kind of check your engine metrics. It was kind of a cool looking design. They don't hold up very well as they get older. They have a polarizing film like a television camera or television screen that goes bad or fades, so they got to be rebuilt. This obviously is not the actual main instrument cluster. This is another thing that's kind of interesting that goes to the side. This is what we call the driver information cluster, and it sits right to the right of that, and this is the unit that you use to actually pull or switch through your different settings to check your temperature, fuel economy, oil pressure, water temperature, things like that. So this is a neat unit. Don't often come across these in the wild. New old stock like this, most of these are fairly worn and damaged. You can see kind of neat the way they've got that put together. Property of General Motors. Still has its original sticker, or not sticker, but protective label, protective coating on it, so it doesn't get messed up. And then this is your screen. You can see here you've got coolant temp, off volts, switch from English to metric, oil pressure, oil temperature, or you can turn the display off, your range, your trip odometer, your reset, your instant fuel rate, your off average, your reset. So there's lots of cool things about this, the way it hooks in. This is your main feed that goes into your actual cluster that you'll see that output in, and then this is your feed line on the back here, your electronics, where that plugs in your power supply, and your lights over here that tell you, I don't know if you can see through here, you probably can't, maybe on this side you can see, but this is your things that light up, your warning, hatch ajar, door ajar, things of that nature that's in there. So just a cool, neat part. Again, this is a 2508 3583. So if you get a need for this, give me a call. You can reach me at 832-654-7367. My name is Brian with VetteSource. I've been dealing in Corvette parts for 20 years. So if you need anything, give me a call and let me know. If you like the video, make sure you hit that like button, comment, subscribe. Let me know what else you'd like to see me detail on the channel here, and we'll go from there. Thanks for checking in, guys, and I will be with you next time.